Merry Christmas, everyone. It is Christmas Day here at Disney World. Actually, it's Christmas everywhere, but we are at Disney World, and we are going to hop on a golf cart, head up, catch the bus, and we're heading over to Epcot. We're going to do Epcot today. I'm going to bring you along. We're going to do this kind of in two parts, though. We're going to head over this morning and do some food tasting at the Festival of the Foods booth, and then we're going to come back because we want to check on Truman and Bess, and then we're going to head back over later in the afternoon because we have a dinner reservation and we also have tickets for the Candlelight processional. I'm going to bring you all along for that, so stay tuned and let's go ahead and get this day started. Are you excited to go to Epcot today?
I am. We haven't been in a long time.
2021, July of 2021 was last time.
Okay.
So, but for the holidays, it's been a long time.
Yeah.
I was thinking maybe we'd bring some friends along today.
Oh, that would be great.
All right, let's see if we can go find them.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir, could we get a ride? All right, let's head to the bus. Is this your first time at Epcot?
Yes.
Not me.
Okay, so Angie's been to Epcot, Kevin has not.
Never have.
But I was like maybe 10.
Oh, that's
So
been a
it's
while.
been
It's your first time.
It's been a minute.
That was like,
It's been like 10 years.
I was gonna say, it's been like 10
11
years, I know. We ended up catching the bus to the studios because the Epcot bus had just pulled away as we walked up. And now we're gonna walk over from the studios to Epcot.
There you go.
Thank you.
We are making our first purchase, and when I say we, I mean Angee at L'Haim. We're going to do the cookie stroll where you buy 5 cookies from a select list and then you get a prize. Angie's opting for the black and white cookie. I'm not going to do this one. I've got a few other cookies in mind, so we'll get a look at it and see what it tastes like. There's the black and white cookie. You're 1/5 of the way to your prize.
Wait, look at my stamp.
Oh, did you get a
I
stamp?
got a stamp.
She has her first stamp.
That's it.
I knew you were going to love this because if there's one thing I've learned about you in 2 years is
I like to win.
you like to win. You're up for competition. Is it a hard cookie or a soft cookie?
Yes.
It's,
Yes.
It's kind of, I don't know what the texture is.
it's soft.
So,
Or no crunch.
because there's some cookies you
Tastes
crunch and
lemony.
ooh,
Yeah.
It tastes like a lemon cookie with
Frosting.
chocolate frosting on it.
Nice, light,
Yeah.
so it's good.
moist. Yeah. That's good.
How much was it?
$3.25.
Oh, that's not as bad as I thought.
No, it didn't cost anything.
Yeah, I just put
just
this
use-
up
put
there.
the-
Oh, that's right, the magic man. You don't have to pay.
It's free.
It's
I just put my
wild.
code in. Done.
What's next, Patty?
It would be American Adventure.
The American Adventure. All right, we're in the American Pavilion. We're going to do a beer flight, and we're trying their turkey dinner, which I think it was, what was it, 6 1/4?
$6.25.
Yeah, which I don't think is bad for
No.
everything that's on there. And then you got another
I got another
cookie. So you're up 2-0. I still haven't bought a cookie. I'm buying a cookie in Germany. Cookie number 2. What was it? It was a
Snickerdoodle.
Snickerdoodle. And it actually has Snickers, like candy bar.
Yeah.
That's not. Oh, does it?
I think so. I think it's like the components of a Snickers bar. Like a,
That's not what a snickerdoodle is.
No.
This is
No.
not a snickerdoodle.
no,
Oh,
that's
called a Snickers.
they did like a Snickers doodle, like Yankee Doodle because we're in America.
Ew.
So it's like Snickers candy bar.
That's not good.
Yeah. I tried to tell you.
I thought it was a snickerdoodle. I really like those.
There's a reason I haven't bought the first 2 cookies.
I
You
just
heard
want
they
the.
weren't that good.
You just want the free.
I just want the free thing.
The
I
black
want
and
to
white
win.
cookie was good.
Actually,
Yeah, I thought it was
the
too.
black and white cookie was better than I thought it would be. So Angie keeps getting her picture taken with Princess. Well, not really with, because she doesn't want to stand in line. She just stands out here and waits till it clears and does like a selfie from afar. She already has Jasmine and somebody. Oh my goodness.
Daisy.
Duck.
Daisy Duck. So there you go. That's
There we go.
that's like an insider tip. If you don't want to stand in line and you're a grown adult and you're embarrassed,
And it would be weird.
Unless you're Jonathan.
it's actually I don't think it's that weird for like you to do it, but Jonathan by himself, that's a little creepy. For those of you that don't know, Jonathan's our friend from Tree Talker the Traveler, who is in the park somewhere, probably scoping out princesses. But oh my God, here she goes. She's going in for a better. Okay, she'll probably crop out the other people. Look at that. Oh my god, I should zoom in. She's getting like yeah. Wow.
Kept moving and getting in my shot.
I know, don't you hate those people that stand in line and get in the way while you're trying to get your shot? All right, there's a cookie here. Are you a cookie?
Oh, cookie.
Are you in for a cookie or are you skipping this one?
Oh, and is this a good one?
This is a good one. Well, I've heard it's a good one. I want this one. We're in Germany. We had to get the Linzer and the cheese fondue bowl, which comes with, it looks like a pickle, pepper,
Some potatoes.
some potatoes, and some more bread. So,
I don't see Nutella.
oh,
Is that one cookie?
Yeah.
I've heard such good things about this. Now I'm afraid.
That's good, but
It
there's
is
no
good.
Nutella in there.
There's no Nutella. Okay, so this must just be a.
It's like,
Oh, it says a hazelnut Linzer cookie.
well, maybe the hazelnuts cooked into the cookie.
Okay, maybe. All right.
You're not gonna like it.
Yeah.
You better not get it.
Pretty bad, huh?
Wow. Try that.
It's really good.
Somebody try that.
Is it good?
I like the
Somebody else try
cookie
it.
part.
Get his face. His
Right.
face.
Okay.
I've had fondue before.
Is it spicy?
Tastes like fondue cheese.
That's what fondue cheese tastes like?
Yeah,
Tastes like stinky feet.
it's really good.
Stinky feet.
Have you had fondue before?
If stinky feet had a flavor, this would be
I'm
it.
thinking, how many times have you tasted stinky feet?
Yeah, is that a regular menu item?
They're really good.
Did you think it's stinky
It's not
feet?
what I thought it would
You
be.
thought it was going to be like queso or something?
Yeah.
You were.
Or plastic cheese?
We need to find her plastic cheese.
Oh, I don't want plastic cheese, but
That's good
this is
cheese.
very-
That's the best cookie so far?
That's the best cookie.
That's what I had heard. There's one other, though, that I heard will rival it, and that's that coffee cookie. Mocha.
Yeah, that
I
sounds
agree. It's a good cookie.
All right, we are at La Cava in the Mexican Pavilion. Angie and Patty went to ride the ride, but Kevin and I are here doing a tequila tasting that involves crickets. We're going to do it. You starting, Kevin?
I mean, yeah, I'll taste them. And
Now, is the crickets only for the mezcal?
I didn't catch it.
All right.
I'm not sure they're for anything, but
All right. You know more about tequila than I do. I'm a bourbon guy, but
very smooth.
is it?
Very smooth, yeah.
So this mezcal, they're saying to eat these crickets, they're actual crickets, then a sip, and then an orange slice. So I'm going to do it. We're here. So a little cricket. That's actually very good. And I don't know if the cricket is making this taste different, but you get like this real smoky. I just ate a cricket, Kevin.
I know. Try it without the cricket and see if it tastes any different.
Hold on, let me get the cricket tentacles out of my mouth.
What's the cricket taste like?
Not really much. They're crunchy. I didn't necessarily get a huge.
It wasn't bad. I think I waited.
Kevin's already done it. So.
I waited too long to drink after I ate the cricket, so it was kind of grassy.
You still get that smokiness, but that really does enhance the flavor. You need to try it. Now that you've had it with, try it without, because I think you're going to notice
See
it's
if
not
any
nearly as
different.
good.
All right. I wonder what the cricket will do for the other.
I don't know. We could try it because we have lots of crickets. So, all right, there you go. So this is without. See, do you remember what the flavor was like with the crickets?
It tastes different.
It tastes different.
That's weird. I don't know. I wonder what it is.
I don't know. But there's something about eating that cricket first that made this amazing. All right, fast forward. It's now 3 o'clock. I quit filming because after Kevin and I did a tequila tasting, we ended up, Patty and Angie were out riding the little boat ride in Mexico, and then we headed back so that we could spend a little time with Truman and Bess, take a little break. And now we're headed to pick up Angie and Kevin to head back to Epcot because we have dinner and a show tonight.
Well, and you just don't know if you have to wait at the bus stop. We're going to take the bus transportation. You got to be patient.
We have a 4:40 dinner reservation. We've made it to Epcot. We are getting to France with about 5 minutes to spare. That's where we're going to be eating. So we got to go get checked in. So this was not included in our meal plan, but Angie's never had escargot, so we ordered some escargot. We got our French baguette. I always think they're delicious.
Tastes like butter and garlic.
Yeah. It's like grits. They taste like whatever you put in them.
They're good.
Kevin, I feel like I'm putting you through a rough day. Crickets and now snails.
I don't think I've ever had them before.
I'm surprised you guys haven't had. Yeah.
They're good.
I may have when.
All right, our main courses have arrived.
Look there. With
Patty has the macaroni with Gruyere. Angie and Kevin have the salmon.
with broccolini.
And I have this seafood dish. Looks delicious.
Good job, Ratatouille. Is Ratatouille in the kitchen tonight?
Maybe. Enough of the French food. We're all done with that. That was amazing.
done with the French food.
Now we're back on the cookie stroll.
Yeah.
And this is a coffee mocha cookie.
There she goes.
This is number 4. You need
I
one
need
more.
one more.
Those are coffee beans on the top, right?
Looks like
Oh,
it.
I thought it was chocolate.
I don't know.
To me, it looks like coffee. Maybe it's coffee bean dipped in
And
chocolate.
then once we get one more, you can redeem for a prize.
Oh, and
You
guess,
will have one.
Yes. Guess what else I brought?
She was thinking ahead.
So your tip for anyone coming here doing the
tip.
cookie stroll:
Baggies.
bring baggies if you don't want to eat the whole cookie.
No right person in their mind could eat all of this in one day.
No.
Well, it is dark out. We started this morning.
Yeah.
All
This
right.
this video is the never-ending cookie video.
All right, eat.
Eat. No.
No.
I heard such great things about this cookie. I don't.
Hairball?
I think it was the bean.
I don't know what other cookies do we have today. I'm trying to remember.
You had the
Black and
Snicker,
white, the Snicker,
Snickers,
the Linzer.
I had the
black
little
and
jelly.
white.
Yeah,
The Linzer,
I think
black
that
and
was the
white.
best one yet.
I like the black and white and
Yeah.
the
How
Linzer.
about for you?
Well, I don't like coffee. How strong is the coffee?
It's strong.
I couldn't even hardly taste coffee in it.
Oh, I do. It's in the
That's
cookie.
strong. If you don't like it, you're gonna drink it.
Just take a bite for the rest of the
Go ahead. Do it, bag. Do
Yeah,
it.
she's like-
Do it. Come on. Oh.
No,
I'm not eating it.
no.
All right.
He'll eat it.
He's like, all right.
He likes coffee.
I'm like that kid in the commercial with the
Now
cereal.
watch this. You fold the plate.
Look at that. You getting this, honey?
Well,
Fold the
Hold
plate.
on.
hold the plate. Protect the cookie.
Protect the cookie. Put it in the bag.
Look at you.
Here we go.
And there you go. That's the tip of the day.
And then you do a wrapperoo and zippy lock.
You know, I'm kind of wondering how many people are going to enjoy this video. So this is probably the point where I should state, first off, it's my video, right?
First of all.
First of all. Yeah.
It's my video.
All right, off to the next one. Super excited. We're taking Angee to the land. That's the Disney greenhouses where they grow things hydroponically. And she loves plants, so I think she's going to enjoy this ride.
Welcome to our glimmering greenhouses, where scientists from Epcot and the U.S. Department of Agriculture illuminate the wondrous gifts we receive from the land. Join us as we ring in the most bountiful time of the year. For centuries, farmers in Central America have cultivated cacao to make chocolate. In fact, cacao is chocolate's main ingredient. Today, people around the world are able to enjoy a variety of sweets and keep warm with a cup of hot cocoa, thanks to this tropical plant.
complete.
We completed the cookie stroll. I've got all 5 stamps. I'm about to get my free gift because I win.
I win.
Hello. Thank you.
You guys have a good night.
You gonna do like I'm a winner dance?
I'm a winner. I get to go bake.
You get, yeah. So after you bought 5 baked cookies, now you get to go bake
I get
cookies.
to go bake cookies. Hopefully it's better than the cookies they bake.
Yeah, I can't say any of them today were. Well, we haven't tried the last one, but the ones we
No.
tried, 4 of them weren't anything to write home
No.
about.
All right. I win.
You win. Congratulations.
Yep.
You've completed your challenge. Now it's time to make our way. Here we go. It's showtime. We're entering the American Gardens Theater. This might be the best day to see it, Christmas Day. Either Christmas Eve or Christmas Day, I think. Makes it extra special. All right, we have our seats. Pretty good location, actually. We actually got to choose our seats.
Joseph also went up from Galilee, from the town of Nazareth, to Judea, to the city of David, which is called Bethlehem, to be registered with Mary, his betrothed, who was with child.
What did you think of the show?
Amazing. I've forgotten how awesome that show is.
Yeah.
The Voices of Liberty, the orchestra, the trumpeters. It was just fantastic. The narrator, everything was just great. We had awesome seats where we sat. It was just perfect.
All right, well, let's go scope out a spot to
Yep.
top off this Christmas day
Yes, it's been a great
with the
day.
final show here at Epcot.
Welcome to the Great Gathering. Of us.
What a Christmas day, Patty.
It's been a great day.
I want to thank all of you for coming along. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment down below. We're going to be here for a while, so we may film another one of these. And until next time, everybody, we'll see ya.
On down the road.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Happy
Bye.
New Year. Bye.
Travels with Delaney. We'll see you on down the road.